How to create YouTube shorts from existing video. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can create YouTube shorts from existing videos. So without any delay, let's start with the process and how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to create a short on your YouTube channel from your existing video, you may just head up to your YouTube account by opening up the YouTube application on your device. After that, on the bottom, you'll be finding different kind of options like home, shorts, plus, subscription, and you. You're just gonna head over to the plus icon at the bottom. Just tap on it. In order to add a short from your existing video, you just need to head over to the short section and select a video from your gallery that is already existing, like a long-term video that you want to post as a short onto your YouTube channel. Just head over to the short and select a video from there, and then tap on done. It may take a moment for it to done, so you may just crop out the video if you want the particular video that you want to create a short from the existing video. Tap on next, and you may add details if you want, and tap on this upload short. After that, wait for that short to be uploaded, and that's basically how you upload a short from your existing video. So therefore, that's how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.